Bacon Poptarts! We're back again. So, not a mukbang, but today we got something very special. No, it sounds fucking disgusting. Bacon Poptarts. Look, smell like shit. Oh my god. It's all broken up in shit. Gross there. Okay. It's everywhere. Let's try a little bit of the pistoli. Oh my fucking god. It literally looks like fucking dog food. Holy fuck. Oh my. Oh. Oh. I take back all those fucking groans. It's like one of those things when someone else is eating something stinky, but it smells horrible to you because you're not eating it. But when you go to eat it and everyone knows that it's stinky. Yeah? No, this is good. Oh. Oh. Fucking kill me. Oh. 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 Yeah. Thank you. Subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you tomorrow.